Hello everyone, welcome back. I recently made a Canva tutorial about how to fill in hollow text, which in the video I made the text hollow and I filled it with a coloured background. In that video I also got a very valid question asking, now they've made the text hollow, how do they fill it with an image? Rather than typing an answer into the comment box, I thought I would make a video explaining exactly how I did it. The font that they wanted to use was Celandine Outline, so I have tried to do it using that font, but I couldn't get it to work. But I can get it to work using the Celandine font. I'm going to show you now exactly what you need to do in Canva to fill text with an image. Now we're in Canva, I have just got a blank document and we are going to go over to the text element at the side and we are going to select text and we are going to select add a heading. I am now going to type in the word travel. We're going to make that larger. Up at the font option at the top, we're going to select that and we are going to select the text that we want, which is Celandine. Now we've done that, we need to go to share and we are now going to download that. So we're going to select download. We are downloading it as a PNG and it's really important that we select transparent background. Downloading with a transparent background is a Canva Pro feature. If you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro and you would like to try out this feature or any other of the Canva Pro features, which there are loads, then click on the link in the description below and that will give you a free 30-day trial to Canva Pro where you can give this a go and you can have a look at all the many amazing Canva Pro features that are available. Once we've selected transparent background, we're going to select download. Once it's been downloaded, we can now delete that. We don't need that anymore. Now we're going to head over to elements and now we want to select a background picture. I'm going to select this picture because I think it's a good contrast of darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. So we're just going to enlarge the picture. Now this is where the magic happens. We're now going to go to apps and in the search bar we are going to type in clipping mask and here's the app that we need to use. Now we need to select start masking. So there's multiple options now. We can select shapes. There we go, we can see it gives us a circle, it can give us a wine glass, you can move that around. You can select text. That is the only font it will give you. It's not very exciting, but there may be occasions where that font will be perfect. And if that's the case, then you can just change that to be whatever text you want. We're going to select image. Now it's asking us to choose a file. So we're now going to upload the word travel that we downloaded onto our computer. Now we can see there's our word and we can see the background through the text. So now we need to locate that on the picture wherever we want it to be. So I'm going to locate it pretty central because I want the contrast at the top with the lighter bottom part. Once you're happy with the location, we're going to select add to design. Once it's added to the design, we can remove the background and now we can see we are left with our word and we can see exactly where we placed it. So we've got the dark elements at the top with the lighter elements at the bottom and our text is now filled with the image that we had behind it. Using the clipping mask in Canva is a really great way of adding images behind text and you can select any word. A lot of people do them where it says mum or dad or sister and puts pictures behind them. That's another great way to do it. You can upload any image, so if you have got a photo you can upload that into Canva or you can use one of the photos that's already in the Canva library. Using the clipping mask app in Canva is a really great way of adding images behind text and getting really creative and making some amazing designs. Hope this tutorial helped. And if you are wanting to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days, then please click on the link in the description. And if you have any more questions or if there are any tutorials that you would like me to make in Canva, then please drop me a comment and I'll be sure to take a look. Thank you for watching and I will see you again soon.